Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with wireless mouse where the wireless mouse is not working on your Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select Windows Update. On right side select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys and make your operating system up to date. After doing this, nextly, you just need to try to change the port of your USB device. If you have connected your USB device to one of the port, try to change it to another port. This can solve the problem, guys. Thirdly, you need to make sure you unplug all the external accessories except the mouse that you want to use with your Windows PC. Now you can check if the problem solved or not, guys. If this solution doesn't work, then let's move on to the second solution. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by two small icons and select power options. In here you just need to select the change plan settings in selected preferred plans. Select change advanced power settings. You just need to click on this USB setting and expand the USB sensitive suspend setting. In here you can able to see the both option guys. One is on battery, another one option is plugged in my case I am in PC, that's why it's not showing. You need to select both option to disabled, and after disabling both options you just need to select apply and OK for save changes guys. And after doing this you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select device manager. In here you need to uninstall your wireless drivers guys. To do this you just need to expand the human interface devices. Under here you can able to see the option of your wireless mouse listed over here. For example, HP wireless button driver. You just need to right click on it and select uninstall device guys. After uninstalling the driver, you just need to select the action tab over here and select scan for hardware changes. And after doing this, close it off here. Go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, the driver will be reinstalled. And after doing this, you just need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Comes up troubleshoot settings. Click on open it. Select other troubleshooters. Select the Bluetooth and select the run option. Follow the on-screen instruction and hopefully this can help you to resolve the problem guys. I don't have a Bluetooth connected to my PC, that's why it's loading up. In your case, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.